Hello and welcome to today's edition of Abhigyan's Point, and I'm going to be talking about my state, Uttar Pradesh. I'm also working on a book for a leading publisher on Uttar Pradesh, but that's set aside. The images that we've seen in the recent past have been extremely disturbing, not just for me, for the entire country, of bodies floating in Ganga and, of course, on the riverside. There are some very serious questions, very serious and deep questions for the state government. But let me talk about what can be done and what is my point in that. My point in that is very straightforward, that the key person in such a scenario for the government to reach out to rural Uttar Pradesh, and we've already been talking about, I've talked about in the past, how there is spread in rural Uttar Pradesh and that can cause very serious damage. We've seen a situation when the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, was hit by corona, and how lack of beds, lack of oxygen really caused so much of panic and death. So just imagine the situation, what it would be in Uttar Pradesh rural areas. The point person here is the Gram Pradhan. If you look at the panchayati structure and go right down at the rural level, he is the person, that person the government has to reach out for, seeking information regarding who were these people, in what situation they died, what really happened, and of course, for the relatives to know, for the village to know. And as the Prime Minister himself has been saying, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh himself is saying that we will put more vigil in the river areas of Uttar Pradesh to find out what really happened. It just can't be let alone until and unless the Uttar Pradesh government gathers this information and then acts upon, and Prime Minister himself is saying more tests needs to be done. No need to hide the numbers. Let more people know. Then only the route of treatment will reach in the right way to the rural people of Uttar Pradesh. And that is something that needs to be done ASAP. So I'm repeating my point. It's actually the Pradhan who can provide information that from each village, which were the people in which family that this tragedy happened and how they can be reached out, who were the people they infected, and how the spread in the rural areas happened. If that information, the Uttar Pradesh government can also set up later, once the information is in, a helpline for the rural people to reach out, and so that the medical services or whatever needs to be done reaches the rural areas. Until and unless between rural Uttar Pradesh and the government sitting in Lucknow, there is exchange of information, no solutions will really come about. And that is extremely important, because each passing day, the situation is becoming very serious. And therefore, I said there are very serious questions and deep questions of the government. But the government right now needs to reach out at the grassroots level, at the lowest level of the panchayati system in Uttar Pradesh, find out, figure out, seek information, give out details. They can't just let be unidentified, and try and reach those families and figure out and give them medical help, so people would know that this has happened and this is the medical course of action that needs to be done. This can only be done through the government machinery, through the state government machinery, and then taken on from there. So it's equally important that there is information that is gathered, there is information that is shared, and based on that information, based on the identification, based on the information, then the government acts. So my point is very clear. As Uttar Pradesh battles the rural spread, the government has to reach out there, and Gram Pradhan, or the head of the village, just to put it very simply, is the key person who will help let people know, and of course also let the government know who are the people affected, how active are the cases there, who are those who are infected, and then work out an ASAP, a quick plan how to get them treated. This is so very important for Uttar Pradesh. This is my point.